Okay, now we're going to go over page 272. It's about Old Faithful. I saw Old Faithful once a long time ago. It was beautiful. Okay, but the water was real hot. Don't put your hands in the water. Okay. Alright, so the wait time is 10 times the length of the eruption plus 10 minutes. Okay, we go over here and do this first. If it was a 1, we put in a 1. 10 times 1 is 10 plus 30 is 40. 2 times...
I can't keep that up, I'm sorry. 10 times 2, that's 20, plus 30, that's going to be 50. 3 times 10, that's 30, plus 30 is 60. I'm sensing a pattern here. Are you seeing a pattern here? 30, 40, 50, 60, that's going to be 70, that's going to be 80, that's going to be 90, and then the pattern goes wonky because they go to 2.5. Why they thought the 2.5 was the right thing to come after a 6, I will never know. Let's do 2.5 times 10. 10 times 2.5, you're like, I don't know what that is. When you multiply by 10, you just grab that decimal and just move it one place over, and it becomes 25. 25 plus the 30, don't you forget that. It's going to be 55. Okay. Now we got a 35. Okay, now they're really messing with you. You got to go backwards. First thing you got to do is take the 30 away from that. Take 30 away from that and you get it 5. So the answer to this, 10 times something, was equal to 5. How are you going to do that? 10 times blank equals 5. Well, I know that 5 is half of a 10. Half of means times. Half times, it's half. Let's see if we got that right. So if we take a 0.5, half is the same as 0.5. 0.5 times 10 is 5. Plus 30, that's going to be 35. We did it. We did it right, and we should feel good about that. Okay, now let's move on. Next, the ordered pairs. It's just this same stuff. Just rewrite it. Don't be lazy, and make sure you put it in parentheses. Okay. Don't just leave it sitting out there all naked and cold with the wind blowing on it. Don't do that. Okay. Now we got to come over here and we got to graph that thing. So we go over to 140. Put a dot. 250. Put a dot. This is just too easy. Let's just leap out. What did I put a 92? What was I doing that for? That was weird. Let's just dump that. We can put all the spots. We don't even need to. Let's go to 696. 90. And then I've got to use a straight edge to connect those points. That's right, I follow my directions. Okay.
Straight edge, kids. This is a straight edge. You don't use just your eyeballs. You use a straight edge. Put little arrows like there if you want. Okay, that's it. Let's get down to the bottom, okay? It's 8:30 a.m. That's cold in the morning, okay? Old Faithful is just finished a 4-minute long. Hello, 4 minutes. At what time will the next eruption occur? Well, it's going to be 70 minutes later. What time? It didn't say how many minutes. It said what time. So you got to do 70 minutes after 8:30. Well, 70 minutes is an hour and 10 minutes. So an hour later would be 9:30. 10 more minutes would be 9:40. Yes, you got it. Explain how you found your answer. Well, you added 70 minutes on to 8:30. Well, and you figured out what 8 would be. You know what to say. That's all I got for this page. Go to the next video.